Welcome to Rubik's Fever. Friends, this is not the only cube available in the market. There are many. But this video series is about a mirror cube. And today we will begin by making the first layer. First, find the most popped out centerpiece in the whole cube. And for that, you can rotate the cube in your hand and gauge which centerpiece pops out the most. Next, we are going to do what we did in second episode of 3x3 series. Make a plus. Here's the trick. You can easily make a plus by keeping a flush side like this and rotate. If it doesn't work, try with another piece. And keep on doing that. Similarly, you can make the corners. For corners, you have to apply the technique of keeping the flush side together and rotating. You can also solve the corners with the steps I showed in third episode of 3x3 series. That's it for today. So now you know how to fix the first layer. Stay tuned for more videos. Adios.